permanent road maps of all who went before, who dared to dream of more, the wings that kept me flying. Brown eyes riding the world around in my head, seconds of silent film, just pieces of the past, wrinkles of a laugh, enough to keep me